Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a super exciting unboxing to share with you guys because today I will be unboxing the TokyoTreat Premium food box. So previously I've done an unboxing for their beauty slash lifestyle box, which is called the No Make No Life box, and so far I have been enjoying some of the products, especially the shampoo foam maker thing, as well as the Rilakkuma oil blotters. I've been really enjoying those, like especially the foam maker thing. It's like amazing. Like if I were to do a favorites video, it will definitely be in there. So today I am super excited to be unboxing their food box because basically, if you guys didn't know, TokyoTreat is a Japanese subscription box provider. So they have a lot of different boxes available, like the food boxes and like beauty boxes, and everything is from Japan. So if you are a fan of Japan or if you love Japanese products, make sure to check out TokyoTreat. So yeah, today I've gotten the premium food box, which is like a bigger version of their usual food box. So I'm just super excited. I received this like 3 weeks ago or maybe 2 weeks ago, I can't even remember, but yeah, like it has been sitting on my table like all these weeks, and you know, it's really a struggle to not open it and see what's in here. So without further ado, let's unbox this together. Are you guys ready? So I believe there are a total of 17 snacks in here, and as usual it came with a booklet, which is super important because unless you can read Japanese, I think it's almost impossible to tell like what it is, because as you can see, the packaging is really interesting, and I don't know, this is just really helpful guide to tell you like what exactly it is. And yeah, as you can see, there's a really cute bunny here because this is actually their April box. Oh my god, I actually think this will make a really great gift for anyone who like loves to eat. Like the box is really cute, look, treat yourself. Okay, so let's start. First thing, oh my god, a drink, and this is a white chocolate milk tea. Oh my god, like if you know me, you will know that my favorite chocolate ever is white chocolate, and I freaking love milk tea. So this is a white chocolate milk tea. I mean, I know what it is because it says here white chocolate milk tea, but let me just see what the booklet says about it. Okay, so yeah, this is a white chocolate milk tea from a brand called Afternoon Tea. So let's try it. I'm super excited. Let me just mix it a little bit just in case it needs some mixing. Maybe. It smells really good. Okay. All my lipstick are transferred to the bottle. It tastes... I would say that the taste of the tea isn't very strong. Probably overpowered by the milk as well as the white chocolate. So it tastes more milky than like tea. It tastes more of like a milky, like a very milky tea. So yeah, this is the white chocolate milk tea. Okay, so moving on to the snacks, I have this, and this I believe is a corn flavored like nacho chips, because it has like some photos of the chips and it looks like nacho chips to me. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the booklet and see what it is. So yeah, this is basically taco chips that are corn flavored. Excited, so let's try. It looks like that. Let me just say that I'm not the biggest fan of like nacho chips. Like if I were to buy like potato chips or like chips, like my last choice would be nacho chips. Like I prefer potato chips over nacho chips. Oh, it is actually really good. It has like a sweet flavor in the beginning. I like their seasoning powder. It doesn't really taste like corn, I'm not too sure, but it has a really sweet like flavor. like their powder flavor is like pretty sweet, which is nice. Okay, so these are the nacho chips. I will save them for my boyfriend and my sister because the both of them are crazy about nacho chips, so I will keep it for them. Okay, so the next snack we have is from Calbee, which is a brand that we have here in Singapore as well, but I've never seen this flavor before, and I actually really like Calbee. Like, my favorite flavor is the seaweed one, so I'm not sure what this is because I can't tell from the packaging, so I'm just going to read the booklet and see what this is. Oh, okay, so this is actually plum seaweed chips, so there is sour plum in here as well as seaweed, so let's try it. I like sour plum, and like I said, I love the seaweed flavor, so I am very excited. That's really good. It is sour. It has a really interesting taste, and I can't actually taste the seaweed. I think it's being overpowered by the sour plum, but it's very addictive. I need to stop. I wouldn't say this is a flavor I would actually go and buy. Like, I still prefer the seaweed one because this one is more sour, and I definitely prefer something that's more salty. So yeah, but it's a very interesting flavor. Wow, there's like so many snacks. Okay, next is this one, and I have completely no idea what the hell is this because it has 0 English words on it, and I can't tell from the photo as well what this is. Okay, so according to the booklet, this is a cheese snack. So it's a corn puff ring snack, and it has cheese flavor, and it's inspired by cheese fondue. I thought it will smell a little bit like Super Ring, which is a cheese ring snack we have here in Singapore, and I freaking love that. But wow, this is like a completely different cheese smell. Oh my god. It tastes really similar to the Super Ring rings. Like, I haven't had Super Ring in so long because I'm trying to be more healthy right now, so I've been avoiding like all these sort of snacks, but just one more. Okay, so next we have this, and I'm sorry, I don't know what this character is called. I know it's a very popular character, I probably know, but I just can't remember. But yeah, I believe this is some sort of candy, so let's see what it is. Okay, so this is a yogurt flavored candy that is filled with rich orange sauce. But yeah, this candy is probably gonna take me a while to finish. So let me just quickly pop it in my mouth. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't had a candy in like probably a year. Okay, so while I suck on this candy, let's move on to talk about the next item, which is this, because this looks very interesting and I just can't wait to like talk about it. So not sure you can see from the photo, but basically it's like those cooking kit. So you have to like poke the banana into a toothpick, and then you have to dip it in the chocolate and then roll it in the candy. Okay, so I think I will do this at the end because I don't really want to pour the chocolate and everything and just leave it like somewhere while I continue the video. So I'm going to do this the last. Okay, so the next snack is this one. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this before. This is available at Daiso, and this, oh my god, it's like one of my favorite, probably my favorite snack at Daiso. Like, in the past I used to buy this all the time, but I've like stopped for years because I know myself, I know that once I buy this I can finish the entire packet, like the big one, in like 30 minutes. Okay, so like to control myself, I just completely stopped buying these snacks. But yeah, I freaking love them. They're so good and they're so sweet. Okay, so I finally finished my candy. It has a really mild like orange flavor, but it's not too strong. I think it's nice, but I'm just not a fan of candies. Like, I'm definitely more of a chips, like salty, savory food compared to like sweet stuff. So yeah, now I will eat this, which is actually quite sweet as well, but it has like the savory bit as well. I don't know. I haven't eaten this in so long, so it looks like that. It's so good. I think it's like the texture as well. It's very like soft yet a little bit crunchy. Next we have 3 packs of these, and I'm not too sure what these are. It just says Easter happiness. Okay, so these are custard pudding flavored biscuits. Okay, so I guess they're not Easter eggs. They're like biscuits and they're custard pudding flavor. I'm not sure what that tastes like. Oh, they're really biscuits. And they have like the print on it. This is Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Okay, so it tastes and looks like Hello Panda, but the filling is more thick. Like Hello Panda one is more like watery. This is more thick and it has custard filling in it. So they have like all the Disney character print on the biscuit. Okay, so we still have 6 more snacks to go. So let's start with this one. I believe this is another candy, but this one is a lemon flavored candy. Okay, so this is a healthy snacking squishy lemon gummy. This one contains fiber and protein, which will help you create a sense of being full, which protect you from overeating. Cool! It also comes in a Ziploc bag, so you can like just bring it out with you. This is really good because I think I always overeat. Smells very lemony. Looks like that. So it's pretty small. Oh my god. It's really sour. It's nice. But it's really sour in the beginning, but it's nice. I mean, it's like a bearable sour taste. And yeah, do I feel fuller? Yes, I think I do. What is this? Okay, so I think this is going to be our next snack, and I think this is also a candy, but they have like different flavored ones. So according to the book, this is called the Colorful Seeds Soft Candy. Okay, so they didn't state what flavor are these, but I believe this like blue or white one is like a soda flavor. So if you combine like the soda flavor and maybe like this one, like this purple one or this green one, whichever is the grape flavor, you sort of make like a grape soda flavor. So it looks like that. I think I am going to try one of their recommended combination, which is yellow plus pink plus green. So they look like jelly beans. Let's try. So I'm supposed to eat it all together, right? I don't know what flavor this is. It was a little bit sour, I think, because of the yellow flavor. Now the texture just feels like jelly beans to me. I'm actually really interested to try this bluish white one, but I'm really full. Next we have this pack of gummy bears, and I think this is a honey flavored gummy bears because it has like honey over here. So let's just eat it. Looks like that. It does taste like honey. Okay, next we have this, and I'm not sure what this is because it feels a little bit weird, but it's the same brand. But it's the same brand as the cheese rings, so I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so this is called the Umaibo Teriyaki Burgers. So it's basically a teriyaki burger flavored snack. So it looks like this. It just looks like a very big biscuit. The smell is quite familiar. The biscuit feels very airy. So like I feel like I took quite a big bite, but everything just like went down pretty quickly. and the flavor is very strong. Okay, so the next snack is Kit Kat banana, and I've actually tried this before because my colleague went to Japan and she got the Kit Kat banana flavor for us, so I tried this before. It tastes like white chocolate mixed with like banana flavor. Looks like that. It's a little bit melted, I'm sorry. It has been sitting on my desk for a really long time. It's very sweet. This is probably the most unhealthy video I film. Finally, we are down to our very last snack, and it is this one. I believe these are Easter egg snacks. So let's see what this is. So they are custard pudding chocolate balls that are designed to look like fun Easter eggs. The box is so cute. I'm not sure you can see, but you can like open these. Like, aw, this is so cute. Looks like that. So yeah, they are like custard flavored biscuits coated with white chocolate. Okay, so now I'm going to test this out, which I mentioned previously. So let's open it, see how it works. So it comes with like a tray. These are like pretty squishy. I don't know what these are. I need to pour the chocolate in here. It's like a gummy, but slightly tougher. So I will dip it in the chocolate. Looks not too bad. And then I'm going to dip it in the sprinkles. Ooh. Oh my god, this is fun. Okay, so here is my chocolate banana. Actually looks good. I'm excited to eat it now. Oh. It's really nice. I think it's because it's very chewy, so it's definitely my kind of candy. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's video. I am feeling extremely full and extremely bloated right now, but I had a lot of fun testing and tasting all of these Japanese snacks. So if you love Japanese snacks, make sure to check out TokyoTreat and their various boxes available. So I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye! I don't know.